Good day, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Totoro Taker, the founder of Food Trading Academy. So, welcome to this week's weekly market breakdown. So, as you can see now, we have this structure on for our time frame. So, as you can see, we had an analysis on our previous weekly market breakdown. We predicted that the market has to actually at least come drop to actually to this air zone, to give us a pullback or to sell till it reaches that point. So as you can see now, the market is actually on the zone, and it actually shot straight from the zone. As soon as it came and reached our zone, it actually started shooting to the upside. So as you can see now, we have to analyze for the week ahead. And for the week ahead, so let me just use those two. What's going on now? Okay, let me just use this. Let me see. Okay, as you can see, we have this overall downtrend, and we actually predicted that the market has to actually at least trend until this zone. It has to actually start reversing from the zone. So as you can see, we've been getting this ascending type of formation, descending, I mean. So the market has to actually shoot to the upside now. I think the market is ready to actually start trending to the upside, to actually change direction. So we need to analyze and get confirmations that the market will start trending to the upside now. So let's get into it. So as you can see, we have this gray support and resistance zone. So let's take our trend line from, let me put it here, from this low and actually place it here. Let me delete this previous structure. We are done with our previous structure. For now, we have to focus on our current market price. So let's take it and actually place it here. So as you can see, we have we have this descending channel. So as you can see now, we have this descending channel, and we know that now we have to expect buying opportunities at least to this zone, to the zone. Then we can see if the market is going to continue, is going to actually shoot to the downside, or is going to break this trend line and also that zone, come retest, and we continue taking our buying opportunities. So as you can see now, the market had no power trending to the downside. As you can see, the market was actually trending in a correction. The market didn't have that momentum, that impulsive momentum to actually come and break this zone. So let me take my trend line also and put it like here. As you can see, we have this type of a descending channel. We have this type of a descending channel, but for us to take our buying opportunities now, we have to wait at least for the market to come here, break that zone, and actually come in a correction to retest the zone, and we're going to start taking our buying opportunities until the break of that zone, then a retest, then a continuation, a retest, and a continuation. So for now, I'm looking for buying opportunities. So let's move to our 1 hour time frame and see if we're gonna be able to get our descending type formation on this zone. So as you can see, let me just adjust my trend line. I can take it and place it here, or also here, it's fine. So as you can see, the market has been corrective. This is not an impulse move, it's a correction. The market has been correcting. So we have this impulse candlestick. We have to wait for a breakout. in a retest. So that's when you're gonna start looking for our buying opportunities. You're gonna start looking for buying opportunities. But for overall now, I'm very, 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 very bullish. I'm looking for buying opportunities. So let's actually unzoom this and maybe we'll see something. So as you can see, we might say it's a double bottom formation. We have this what first bottom. We had our second bottom. The market might continue, or we can get a what? We can get a what? We can get this. Let me show you. For the market to confirm our buys, we can have this type of a formation. Let me. At least we can get it. If we could actually get a double bottom formation, it would actually confirm our buys. Let me move to my 1 hour time frame for it to be clear. Yeah, so maybe we might expect the market to actually push a little bit to the upside, come reaches the zone, then the market might what come again, reaches our double bottom formation, then start shooting to the upside, breaking that, then get a what, a retest, then a continuation. So the market will be creating our uptrend, will be creating our higher highs and lower highs, higher lows, I mean. So as you can see now, I'm very, very, very bullish. As you can see, this say a reversal pattern here. After we had this continuation pattern. After we had this, after our reversal. So we're gonna let's take our Fibonacci. So for now, we're gonna wait for the market to actually let me see. For now, it gave us this high. Maybe the market might come, reaches there. Let me show you. This might be a zone. The market might come in an impulse, reaches there, come reaches our zone, then continue shooting to the upside. Instead of getting a double bottom formation, we might get this formation, this push, correction, then a continuation, break, correction, So this is what I'm also expecting. If Nasdaq could give us something like this for us to actually start taking our buying opportunities. For now, we're not taking any opportunities until we get that. Let me say we get this touch and a correction to our 50% zone, a break, and a correction to this, then a continuation. So we have to wait for at least something like this for us to start taking our first buying opportunities and also our second buying opportunities. So for now, we're just going to wait for the market to give us what we are looking for, what we are exactly looking for. If we could get something like this, we know now we might also extend this channel. Let me just put it like this. Yeah, it might be a breakout of this trend line and also a retest and a continuation. So we might be looking for something like this. But for this week, we are very bullish. We'll be looking for buying opportunities because the market has actually reached our lower trend line. Our first touch, second touch, and we actually had our third touch. But the market might come, give us a W, or it might come here, break this, give us a correction, then continue shooting to the upside. But for now, I'm very, very, very bullish. So let's just expect this for this week. So thank you guys for joining me in this video. It's your boy, the founder of Woodridge Trading Academy, signing out.